Here, we are assured of at least a set 4 dito po sa laban natin. And again, LPU trying to make it to the Final Four for the second straight season. They can do that with a win here. Letran trying to avoid a 4-way tie in the team standings. Because if they lose, they will tie Perpetual, Arellano, and Mapua at 4 and 3. So gusto nilang makakuha ng clear advantage dyan and makuha yung solo number 3 spot. Oh, Jonah Dolorito. A more encouraging start for LPU.
Yeah, makikita natin yung energy nila. Pinipilit nilang ibangon mula sa pagkatalo ng second set at mapunta ulit ang momentum para sa kanila for this third set. At Martin, update lang tayo sa point na meron ng ating mga players ni Tura with 6, Martin with 8, Makilang with 8. On the other hand, para sa Laison Lady Pirates, Tuguna with 10, Dolorito with 8, and Tulang with 7.
Dennis Puzon commits the service error. Not really the follow-up that they were looking for. Pagkatapos ng puntos ni Jonah, again, now total of 22 unforced errors or errors para dito sa LPU.
Almost a set.
Yeah, that's true. Netura. Oh, Judiel Netura.
Andun yung depensa ng Laison Lady Pirates that time pero medyo nabitin mula sa palo na yon kay Netura.
So the Lady Knights very quickly pull ahead here.
Serve.
Puzon tracking it down. Here's Jaja Tulang. Guiding it to Silva who saves it. Eto si Martin. Nasa likod si Lopez. Backset papunta kay Tulang. Nando naman si Silva.
Good dig by Silva.
Martin with the off speed. Popped up. Saved by Lopez. Boy pa to.
Free ball para sa Letran Lady Knights.
Estrelier to Martin. The push. She is denied.
That set was too low and too fast para makapag-adjust pa si Martin. Galing sa isang transition play at nakapwesto na rin ang blockers ng Lyceum Lady Pirates. That time, nahihirapan na. Ganda ng balik ni Tulang that time. She's too tall for that set. Kaya sobrang dali niya balakan.
She's got the timing as well. Of course, Tulang is a former middle blocker. So, nandun pa rin yung timing niya and tendencies. Uy! Bihira yan. Nahirapan sa first ball si Silva. Pero nagawa ng paraan on the transition by Yen Martin.
Nasingit ni Martin sa elbows ng blockers niya. Gumapang pa sa net yung bola at nakasagulit sa ang depensa ng Laison Lady Pirates sa likod. Kaya naman puntos para kay Martin.
Again, Letran, even with the broken plays, nakakapunto sila.
Oo, ay. Naanapan nila ng butas.
Correct. So, 3-2. Puzon. Over to Doguna. Off the hands. Estrelier to Martin. Lopez was there. But it's away and gone. Back-to-back points for Yen Martin.
It's way too powerful para sa depensa ng Lyceum Lady Pirates. Para iangat pa yung second ball. Ang ganda rin tapat ni Lopez that time pero that ball went too far para maangat pa.
An early lead established by the Lady Knights. Ito si Royce De La Cruz. Manggagaling siya sa likod. Tulang. That one was deflected. Popped up by Netura. Balik sila kay Martin, who scores her third straight point.
Wow, back-to-back-to-back points para kay Yen Martin with 11 points already for this match. Bumabalik na yung kumpiyansa niya at ang ganda rin ng bawi na ginawa niya coming from that 0-point game last game.
That's right. She was scoreless against the Mapua Lady Cardinals. Only played, I think, in the first 2 sets. Yeah. Pero ito yung bawi ng LPU Lady Pirates.
Jaja Tulang reminiscing her middle blocker days with that quick set,
That's right.
quick attack. Right in the middle. Ganda ng play na yun.
More variations for LPU on offense. I correct myself. Yen Martin played in the first 2 sets. Played in the third, pero hindi siya nagsimula nung, fourth set pala. Hindi siya nagsimula ng fourth set para sa Letran. Against Mapua. Ito, third ace of the match for Hiromi Osada. 4-5. It's another close set. Again, a sneak peek of a Final Four matchup. Ooh, the push. Liatura scores the point.
Tumama ulit sa antena, kaya naman automatic outside. Ang ganda ng drop ulit ni Tura doon. Sobrang nasa likod lang nung blockers niya. Sukat na sukat.
Yun pa rin ang problema sa depensa nitong LPU.
Kanina pa yan, Martin. Ang mga ganong drop balls, hindi nila nagdedepensahan.
Pio with more power. Martin! Mababa.
Medyo binaw ni Martin yung projection ng bola niya dun. Not over.
So Jaja Tulang now will proceed to the service line. Second most efficient spiker at 37%. Attack efficiency so far, just right behind.
Good serve.
El Pascual. Martin. Oh, Martin. Ang bilis tumbawi para sa Letran.
Oo. Kahit medyo nahihirapan sila sa first ball kasi ang bilis ng bala kay Estrellar, nagawa pa rin ang paraan, nakapag-set up ng maayos. Yan Martin with that side out real quick. 12 points for Yan Martin.
7-5. Ngayon, nasa likod na siya. Overpass. Chance here for Letran. Makilang Stern. Popped up by Jonah. Gaguna inangguluhan. Hindi tumawid. So first technical timeout. Letran up by 3. After this, an update from Julia Ong.
In favor of Letran, and that sends us to our first technical timeout in set number 3.
Mga kapuso, nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Back to basic ang paalala ni Coach Romel Garcia sa Lady Pirates. Ipasok ang service, block, then attack. Kanina nabanggit ko yung quick attacks na pumalo lang ng pumalo kahit saan mapunta. Kasi para daw kay Coach Romel Garcia, napapansin niya na yung spikers niya hesitant daw, kaya lalo pa sila nagkakamali. Para naman sa panig ni Coach O, when it's easy, don't be in a hurry. Lalo na daw pag out of the system plays na ang kalaban. Dahil natataranta daw sila, kaya nakakapuntos ang kalaban. All for now, Martin and Anjo.
Maraming salamat, Julia. So far, mula dun sa instructions na yon, Letran has responded very well.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi na sila natataranta, nararatel, at mas sigurado sila sa kanilang mga gagawin. LPU, on the other hand, they need to go back to basics and limit their errors. Pio, and speaking of errors, Letran will commit this one.
Oo. Net touch violation para kay Ledesma. That time, overreaching for that set ng Gagel.
6-8. LPU, again, undefeated start. Their best start in women's volleyball sa NC. Makilang with the lefty push. Puzon tracks it down. Ito si Duguna mula sa likod. Nandun si Martin. They go back to Gia. Gia rises. Oh, catching the corner pocket is the rookie Gia Makilang.
Ang ganda ng variations ni Makilang with 9 points already for this match. Makita natin kanina, medyo china-challenge siya yung deep cross-court na sharp angle. Ngayon naman, going for that long ball. Kasi alam ko na alam din ni Makilang na matibay ang depensa sa likod ng Lyceum Lady Pirates. Kaya iniiwasan nila yung mga long spikes na ganun eh.
Oh! Oh! It's a service ace for Angel Ledesma. This is her second one in the match.
Yeah, alam natin, isa rin to sa matibay. Ito yung nakakatuwa eh. Kung sa side ng Lyceum Lady Pirates, merong middle blocker na matibay pagdating sa service line. Meron din ang Letran Lady Knights, namely si Ledesma.
10-6 tayo. O maarangkada ang Letran Lady Knights. This is her biggest lead so far in set 3. Ledesma will start. Another good serve.
Good serve. Ang talas nun.
Transition play, too strong for Dolorito.
Ito na, nahihirapan ng Lyceum Lady Pirates. Hirap sila kapag wala silang first ball.
Yeah.
Medyo natatapon nila yung mga chances na binibigay sa kanila.
In comparison to Letran, na kahit medyo faulty ang first ball,
Nagagawa ng paraan.
paraan.
number 8,
Ang
Lopez.
pressure ba no? Nasa spiker o dun sa magbibigay ng bola pa rin?
Nasa
spiker?
setter.
Nasa setter pa rin, ano?
Oo, kasi trabaho niyang dalhin yung bola ng maayos sa spikers niya. With less adjustment sana.
Yeah. Biggest lead for Letran at 5. Here's Lopez with the left hand. Stacy. That one goes outside.
Ball out.
12-6 for Letran.
Lumobo na yung kalamangan ng Letran Lady Knights. Another attack error para sa
Timeout for
Lyceum.
LPU.
Bumibitaw ang kubunan ni Coach Cromwell. Pakinggan natin siya.
Okay. Dahan-dahan muna. Malayo pa yan. Naintindihan nyo, kapitan nyo muna. Okay? Hindi tayo pwede naglalaylo. Aggressive dapat. Tuloy mo lang yun. Natawagan ka lang na isang beses. Ayaw mo na sakitin. Sakitin mo pa rin. Tingnan mo. Gamble. Ha? Go!
Okay. Coach Cromwell Garcia. Kailangan mo ng gigising sa'yo dito sa laban. As we see, the Laurel family having fun. Attorney Roberto P. Laurel, of course,
Ang
head of
Desma
the
still
Lyceum of the
serving.
Philippines University, with I think Miss Abby Laurel right beside her, or right beside him.
Magandang araw po.
Masayang nanonood dito sa ating venue. Hindi ko alam kung super saya kasi dehado dito ang LPU. Pero magandang bawi ito. Heart Pio. It's been a while since we last mentioned her name, Anjo.
Yes. Kung kanina second set na dinig natin si Coach Cromwell out of the huddle na sabi niya, i-maximize natin yung middle blockers natin kasi hindi na nagiging threat sa gitna. Kaya naman yung mga palo natin, na-force tayo na gumawa ng attack errors kasi nandun na yung blockers eh. So it's either i-drop natin or papalo natin malakas na pupunta outside.
Gia. That one is deflected. Puzon gets to it. Lopez. Ooh! Beautiful placing by Stacy Lopez.
Ganda ng vision ni Lopez doon. Bukas na bukas yung area na yun para sa kanyang placements by good vision. Good job.
So, dalawang sunod yan para sa LPU pagkatapos nung timeout ni Coach Cromwell.
Kaya ano pa nangyayari to, Martin, na 4 points lagi ang inahabol ng LPU.
Pareho to, ha? Uy! Bio! Too strong on the serve.
Yes, too much muscle para sa service na yun. Tsaka ang baba rin ng kontrang niya sa bola, kaya naman palubo yung service niya that time.
The ultimate momentum
Natalie
breaker
Estrella,
for
service.
LPU today. Mga service error nila. Not Estrelier. On the other hand, has been serving very
serve.
well. Oh, Osada with the adjustment. Netura. Dug up by Tulang. Ball is in transition. It's a free ball for Letran. Tulang tried to save it. But that's De La Cruz getting activated.
De La Cruz.
Kaya na pa ang Letran, nakikita natin, transition play sila ng patong play
14 serving 8.
na binabato sa open. But this time, sinugal ni Estrelier kay Ledesma para sa drop ball na yon at ang ganda nung resulta.
14-8. Back to a 6-point lead for Letran. Puzon with the underhand set up to the back row. Easy up for Silva. Netura! Outside. Teka. Outside pa rin.
Oo. Akala ko, may
Points
banawan.
LPU.
Ganda naman yung intention doon ni Netura kasi walang tao doon.
Oo, tama.
Pero yun nga lang.
Napasobra lang yung angle niya,
Oo.
pakanan.
Yan ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap tansyahin din.
Oo, tsaka mahirap yun. Imagine mo yung bola mo nasa kaliwa, tapos pilit mong ida-drop ball pakanan ng sobrang late ng space mo kasi may blockers ka sa harap.
Yeah. Puzon, nice serve, better pickup though. Pakilang is denied.
Bako.
Ganda ng habol yung Osada doon para sa opposite set na yun. Good timing, good close out din. Ganda rin ng communication nila. Dikit na dikit yung blockers that time. Salting
10 serving 14.
sa kill block nila. Again, 4 points ang nahabol ng Lyceum Lady Pirates.
15 excellent sets so far for Puzon. Ito si Makilang mula naman sa kabila. That is covered now by Puzon. Lopez will try. Nandun si Martin. Backs it for Netura. Netura with a cut shot.
Judiel Netura.
What an angle for Netura there.
Tsaka ang taas ng efficiency ni Netura dun sa set na yun at sa angle na yun. Kaya na pa niya ginagawa yan. Ang taas
Gia
taas
Makilang
ng
on deck to serve.
percentage na magiging puntos eh.
Hilig siya dun sa manipis na cross court.
O, kaya hindi natin masisisi si Estrelier na inahabol niya lagi palikod yung bola kahit nasa open area na siya.
That's right. 15-10. Judel again. This time, kapantay si Lopez. Togo na. Nandun naman si Nat. Tinitura, they go. One-handed save. Oh. Tumawid si Osada. 16-10.
Crossing violation para sa Lyceum Lady Pirates at Takei Togona.
Point goes to Letran.
We'll head
And
to a
now
quick
score
break.
now is 16-10
Set
for
number
the Lady Knights.
3 action.
That sends
Letran
us
ahead
to
by
our second
6.
technical timeout in set number 3.
Balik sa ating coverage. Ito naman yung remaining games ng Letran Lady Knights, San Beda, San Sebastian. So, at least this is a more favorable path compared
Yes.
to the schedule of LPU na
Yes.
ang parehong kalaban nasa Final Four race pa.
Tama Martin, in comparison kanina pag-usapan natin yung remaining games na meron itong Lyceum Lady Pirates. Isa na dyan ang Mapua Lady Cardinals at syempre ang reigning at defending champion na CSB
And
Lady
the
Blazers na
technical
sobrang
timeout.
alam mong mahirap kalaban parehas.
Yeah. Ayan, 16-10. Oh. Action continues here in set number 3. Martin drops it in.
Yeah,
The biggest
Martin.
lead for the Lady Knights.
Miscommunication on the side of the Lyceum Lady Pirates. Nagkalituan si Lopez. Dalawang Lopez. Kung sinong kukuha nun.
Yeah.
Pwede sana yung isang Lopez na i-overhead lang niya, ipapasa niya using her hands. Pero hindi, lumagpas sa kanya eh. Puntos para kay Martin.
Makilang with a sharp serve. Eto na si Tulang. Bumalik sa LPU. Who's on the quick? Still alive. Backs it to the back row. Laguna converts.
Nakita mo yung ginawa ni Venice Puzon. Tatlong spikers yung inikutan ng bola sa tatlong possession na yun. Una kay Tulang, sunod kay Posada, sunod naman kay Lopez. Hindi, kay Tuguna. That time, pumuntos na. Galing, ganda nung paikot na sa bola.
For the Lady Pirates.
Back row hit finally works for Joan Daguna. Estrelier. Uy, hirap na posisyon para kay De La Cruz. Nitura. Goes on with a dig. Guzman, underhand setup for Lopez. Off speed did not work. Ito naman si Martin. Again, a cross-court kill for Yen Martin.
Once again, finding her spot and finding her confidence. Yan, Martin, going for that hard cross-court angle. Ganda nung timing niya sa bola. Iwas na iwas sa blockers.
Parang tansado na niya yung cross-court distance na yun. Ano?
Tsaka mapapansin natin yung confidence, tsaka nahanap niya yung groove niya. Tuloy-tuloy na yung momentum na meron to si Yen Martin. Nagkakumpiyansa na.
18-11. Sharp serve ulit mula sa Letran. Doguna. Difficult take for De La Cruz. But ball is still in the air. Puzon. Double quick for the Lady Pirates.
Very
Jaja
effective
Tulang.
para sa Lyceum Lady Pirates. At ang ganda niyan, merong advantage itong si Jaja Tulang kasi dati siyang mid.
On deck to
yeah.
serve.
Alam niya kung
Lino
paano
Osada.
timingan yung approach at alam niya kung paano dadalhin at saan dadalhin yung spike. Masalo kapag ganun transition plays na mabibilis.
Pero dito manggagaling na sa likod si Hiromi Osada. Nadikoy kanina. Nitura. Sobra.
Oh,
O ito na,
tap goes
5
out.
na lang ang hinahabol ang Lyceum Lady Pirates.
Point
We'll
to
see if they can
LPU.
chip away. At
13-7
lapit pa nila yung kanilang mga sarili dito sa set number 3. But that's been the theme so far. LPU naghahabol sa gitnang part ng ating set. But
Serve
the
out.
errors continue for
Rebound
them.
Letran.
Yes, kung naghahabol ka at nakapuntos kayo out of a very good possession, tapos ang kasunod mo
Judiel
isang error,
Ventura to serve.
sobrang nakakababa ng momentum to.
So 19-13, Letran looks to take advantage.
Good
Judiel
serve.
off the bench today. Ganda ng pinapakita. Doguna. Dug up by Makilang. Here's Martin. Who's on? That's it. Tulang punches it through.
Too strong. Jaja Tulang.
LPU
Nandun na rin yung
Tulang.
blockers. Kaso yun nga lang, hindi nakapasok yung kamay nila Desma for that block. Kaya naman may space yung palo ni Tulang na
Jaja
mag-cross sa
Tulang
kanilang
serving
net,
for the Lady
which resulted
Pirates.
into a off the block point para kay Jaja Tulang.
So far si Tulang yung pinaka-consistent na nakakapuntos
Yes.
against the net defense of Letran. Guzman. Doguna. Nasa likod. Si Silva. Martin. It bounced off the nets. So it's an LPU point.
4 touches on the side of
Not
Letran.
over. 4 touches.
Point to
Para sa Letran
LPU.
Knights. 4 na lang po ulit
Naman.
ang hinahabol na kalamangan ng Lyceum.
Timeout. Lady
Okay,
Knights.
Coach O naman ang pakinggan natin ngayon. Siya yung nag-timeout.
First option eh.
Endgame tayo yan.
Bola, aka na.
Sige, dandan lang, dandan.
Eh pag na, hindi mo nakuha yung guest ang set na gusto mo, ano pwede mong gawin? Maturity. Eh, gusto mong dalhin dito, pero nakahiga ka, di walang gagawin. Makinig, one good pass muna tayo. Again, we have to activate. Dadalawa yan, may advantage ka pa dito. You don't care kung may advantage ka dito. Ito natin mabasa na yung ginagawa nila.
Ito na. Nadinig natin si Coach Oliver kanina saying the word maturity once again.
Yeah.
Kasi nga kanina si Yan Martin may gusto siyang padaanan na angle, but then again, kung hindi given yung
Jaja
magandang
Tulang
set at yung
still
tamang set
serving.
para sa'yo, huwag mo nang ipilit. Gawa mo na ng variations. Ayun yung ayaw makita ni Coach Oliver.
Ngayon tinatatak ni Coach O sa isip nitong Letran Lady Knights. Estrelier, quick attack. Quick reflexes by Lopez. Doguna. Estrelier, third try on a 1-2.
Point to LPU.
Third try, third miss para kay Estrella sa 1-2 play na hindi pa rin ginagrant sa kanya ang pagkakataon.
Yung clear swing na gano'n, hindi gumagana. Yung pinakauna niya na soft set, gumana, no? Lumusot
Oo,
kanina.
Lumusot eh. Ngayon, yung sharp angle na gusto niyang kayo na pang hinahanap, hindi pa niya nakukuha.
Martin, down the line. Nakabantay si Lopez. Guzman sends it out. Chance for Letran. Martin. Ooh! That did not go over again. So Letran with a string of errors here to allow LPU to cut into the lead.
4-0 run para sa Lyceum Lady Pirates
Number 17.
na galing sa isang attack error mula kay Yen Martin. Kaya naman automatic substitution para kay Coach Oliver Almadro.
Martin checks out. Lea Tapang is back in. Tapang started the match, by the way, for Judiel Netura, who came off the bench. Ledesma, pasok.
No, right at the line.
Again,
Ledesma with that
Ledesma.
long running play.
Nilet go na yun itong LPU Lady Pirates because they thought it was gonna be long.
Oo, yung flight ng bola, medyo pa outside na eh. But then again, sumakto pumating sa linya.
So that stops the bleeding for Letran. Lea Tapang. Ooh!
Service
Malamig off the bench.
Oo, medyo nangangapa pa ulit si Tapang. Masakit yun para kay Coach Oliver.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, nilabas niya si Yan Martin kasi medyo nag-error na siya. Tapos pinapasok niya si Tapang. Cause another error.
Uy!
Serve out.
Wow! Oh my! Palitan tayo ng service errors. Pero mas masakit to para sa LPU.
Oo, kasi sila yung nag-aabol eh.
Again,
Na kanina pa sila
Ledesma on set to serve.
bibigay ng service errors para sa Retran Lady Knights.
Hindi pa yan na-address nitong Lady Pirates. Angel Ledesma, who scored an ace earlier in the set. Here she is again. Better pickup for LPU and Hart Bio. Wow, second infraction on Bio.
Catch and throw for LPU.
Oo.
Point is
Tinawag ng
awarded
first
to
referee
Letran.
natin another
Ulit
lifting
sa'yo, ha?
violation.
Ang
Pakinggan natin.
ka-sentro, nanggaling dito sa taas, ibinaba. Okay? Pakisabi kay coach, ilang beses na ginawa eh. Ha? Pakisabi kay coach. Sige.
Oh, ito yung pinapaliwag natin first referee na kapag galing sa set at medyo mababa yung kamay, medyo tumagal sa kamay mo yung bola at gusto mong i-drop ball, automatic lifting violation siya. So kailangan mabilis, a brief moment lang, drop agad.
Very firm itong ating
Oo.
first referee on that catch and throw violation. Pangalawa against Heart Bio. It
22
comes in
serving
at a
18.
crucial stretch here in set number 3.
Very crucial, Martin.
Kasi instead of a 2-point lead ang inaharap ng LPU, 4 ulit. Lopez absorbed by Nitura. It is going to be saved. Here comes LPU. Bio, yes! Oh, outside!
Attack
Yeah.
goes out.
Ouch!
So nung nilakasan ni Bio, sobra naman.
Outside, oo. Pero ang ganda sana ng transition play na yun eh.
23-18. So, this is Yvonne Martin looking to check in for LPU.
Kasi parang interpretation ng tawag namin yung first referee. Judgment nila sa catch and throw. Kasi hindi nito nakikinig eh. So, pabibigyan natin ng verbal warning muna kay first referee. Paki-advise or inform na si coach. Sige, pakibigyan na lang. Sa susunod, magbibigay na ako ng ano.
Okay.
Verbal warning para kay Coach Cromwell Garcia. Paalala lang po ni first referee na kapag may judgment na ang first referee, that's final and wala ka ng power to argue. Mas lalo wala tayong challenge system niya.
That's right. So, verbal warning pa lang mamaya daw. If there's another incident, bibigyan na ng yellow card si Coach Cromwell. 5-point lead for the Lady Knights. Difficult take. Lopez on the approach. Sobra rin. Check ball.
Stacy Lopez.
Lopez scores it.
Woo! Martin, intense.
Mainit yung laban natin.
Oh, mainit.
Kid Martin to serve.
Martin serves. Martin from LPU. Makilang. Drop! Gumana ulit para kay Gia Makilang. And Letran is at set point.
Kanina pa ginagawa ni Makilang. Kapag nakikita niya yung open spiker ng Lyceum na dumedepensa dito sa cross-court attack at nakabang sa open spiker ng Letran Lady Knights, automatic dinadrapon niya sa likod ng Blackers para mahaba yung travel time ng kukuha ng drop ball.
Nahuli na
smart
naman
play.
niya. Oo. Okay, service error on Estrelier.
3 point for LPU.
So on deck for LPU is Mingming Puzon.
The hard server na hindi pwedeng ilay-low ng Letran Lady Knights.
You mentioned this is a chance
ball.
ball. LPU on the attack. Puzon executing that double quick.
Jaja
Converted.
Tula.
Puntos para kay Jaja Tulang sa Lyceum Lady Pirates.
2 straight for LPU. Tatlo hinahabol nila. Yeah, and that's worked to perfection for LPU today. Coach O.
Ayun!
Dandan lang.
Teamwork!
Isa lang yan, isa lang.
Usap lang. Look, teamwork girls, teamwork. Hindi matibay yung nandito sa isa kabila eh. Teamwork. You know why? You're looking at the result right away. Put the best performance yet for the last point. Goal is just get 1 point. Get 1 point. Pero ano unang gagawin? Consistency yun muna. Focus on the things that we have control.
Grabe yung mga words of wisdom ng isang coach, Oliver Almadro.
Yeah.
Parang pala nadidinig ko, inspiring.
Yeah. Oo, no? Pero same yung reiteration niya since the very beginning of the season. Don't focus on the result yet. Just focus on your performance. Yun ang hinahanap niya mula sa kanyang mga manlalaro dito. Ang isa pa niyang sinasabi lagi, ayoko ng spectacular.
Oo, tama.
Back to the system.
Sa best effort sa mga bagay na kaya natin kontrolin.
And here comes Letran. Can they end it here? Not yet.
Not yet.
Guzman, back row hit for Duguna. Popped up by Estrelier. Silva brings it to Makilang. Makilang is denied. It's a kill block for LPU. 3 straight points para sa Lady Pirates. And they are within 2.
Ang ganda ng timing sa block ng Jaja Tulang. Ang ganda ng swing block. Kaya naman saradong-sarado yung down the lane area. Napapadaanan sana ni Makilang. That time, kill block para kay Jaja Tulang.
Puzon, rock solid on the serve. Estrelier, Nitura pots it down to end set number 3.
Jay Nitura, sabi niya, tigil na natin to. Going for that down the lane angle. Once again, towering over her blockers. Ang taas talaga ng porsyento ni Nitura dun sa pwesto na yun.
Panapos mula dito kay Julian Nitura, 25-22. Letran surges ahead in the match, 2-1.